Heating and Air Conditioning. I'm going to explain to you the two-stage and the modulating furnace through the car analogy. I always love to make analogies, so I figure this is probably the best way to do it. Okay, so let's give an example of you get in your car, it's 10 degrees outside, it's freezing cold in the car. What's the first thing you do? Turn the heat all the way up, turn the fan all the way up. Eventually it gets warm in here, and if you left it all the way up, it would be incredibly hot. So you say, well, I don't need quite as much heat, so you turn it down maybe a couple clicks, and you turn the fan down a couple clicks. And, well, maybe it's still a little too hot, so you turn the fan down a little bit more, and you back the heat off a little bit, and you find this happy medium, where the system is running, and it's maintaining your perfect comfort level. Well, that's what the variable speed furnace does. Your furnace today, what it would do is it comes on 100%, and eventually it satisfies the temperature on the thermostat and says, well, I'm good, shuts completely off, both the fan and the heat. Well, we never really want to do that because now we have to heat the heat exchanger back up, we got to turn the fan motor back on again. So a modulating furnace, what it does is it says, okay, I'm close to the temperature that everyone wants, let's turn that heat down just a little bit. Let's use the variable speed fan motor, turn that down just a little bit, and it waits, and it says, okay, well, am I creeping up to that temperature that the homeowner has set? And if so, it starts to go down just a little bit more, and eventually it goes down to the point where it turns itself down 40%. Think about this as how open the gas valve is. Think about this of the speed of the fan. So basically the variable speed furnace and modulating gas valve in the variable speed furnace is like climate control for your house. So you've had it in your car for years. This car doesn't have it because it's just a service vehicle, but you've had it in your car for years, and it's time to get it for your house. So now let's just talk about what the two-stage furnace does. So a two-stage furnace is just like two of these steps. So you have 100%, and then you have 70%. So it's better than the single stage you probably have now, but certainly it doesn't give you the ability to match the load or the output with the load like the modulating does. So on the AC side, this is pretty much the opposite. Get in your car, it's 90 degrees out, the humidity's through the roof. You turn the AC down all the way. I wonder if that's where they got up and down from. But you turn the fan on all the way. Eventually, it gets really, really, really cold in here. So you say, well, it's too cold. Let's back off the AC just a little bit. And the fan might be blowing in your face, still too cold to air. Let's back that fan down just a little bit. That would be an example of a two-stage air conditioner. 100%, 70%, 100%, and 70%. So that's a two-stage AC. Now, if we had a variable speed air conditioner, we would have the ability to go all the way through this range from 100% down to 40%, which Carrier makes in its infinity heat pump. So that's how they get the 20C, or the ability to just tune it down and match the output with the desired load, or with the actual load. So I hope you learned a lot, and if you have any questions, feel free to message us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Paramount Air, or give us a call, 614-349-3332. Thanks.